นจง
โยโสภะคะวะอะ
อะ
ระ
ระหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธ Through the precious one, the Lord who fully attained perfect enlightenment, Savakkato yena bhagavata dhammo. Through the teaching which he expounded so well, so patipanno yassa bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho. And then the blessed one disciples who have practiced well, Dhammayang bhagavantang sadhammang sasanghang. To this the Buddha, the Dhamma, and the Sangha, it may sakare niyata arahang arupite vinapipo chayama. We render with offerings our rightful homage. Sadhu no bande bhagava sutira pariniputto
สุปฏิปันโนภะ
ภะ
คะ
คะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ The precious one disciples who have practiced well, Sanghang Namami. I bow to the Sangha.
ท่านธรรมยังพุทธัสสะภะคะวะโตปุปปะคณมการังกโรมาเส
Now let's pray preliminary homage to the Buddha.
นะโมตัสสะภะ
ภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one.
อันธรรมยังพุทธานุสติในยังกโรมาเส
Now let's chant the recollection of the Buddha.
ตังโค
ปัญญภะคะวันตังเอวังกัลยาโนกิตติสัตโตอะภูคโต Every breath of the blessed one
reputation
has passed and follows.
อิติ
อิติปิโสภะคะวะอะระหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธ The blessed one is indeed the pure one, the perfectly enlightened one. Vijjācaranya sampanno. He is impeccable in conduct and understanding. Sokato, the accomplished one. Lord Gavitu, third in the world of the worlds. Anuttaro Purisa Dhammasarati. He trains perfectly those who wish to be trained. Sattva Deva Manusanam. He is teacher of gods and humans. Vatto Bhagavati. He is awake and holy.
อันธรรมยังพุทธาปิกิติกโรมาเส
Now let's chant in celebration of the Buddha.
พุทธวาระ
Rahanta Varata Tikuna Piyoto. The Buddha, the truly worthy one, endowed with such excellent qualities. Sotthapiya Nakaruna Isamakalato. One's being is composed of purity, transcendental wisdom and compassion. Hote Siyo Suchanatang Kamalang Vasuro. Lord has enlightened the wise by the sun, awakening the lotus. Vantamaham Kamaranang Sirasa Chimentam. I bow my head to the faithful sheep of Pancurus. Uttoyo Sappapaninang Saranang Kemahuttamam. The Buddha who is secure fill of all beings. Pattamanusadittanang Vantamitang Sirenahang. As the first object of recollection, I venerate him with bowed head. Buddha Samita So practice. Sapphe antaraya me mahesum pasate chasa. By His power may all obstacles be overcome.
กายนวาจา
Jaya Vajra Sava. By body speed all might. What te kukamam bhagatam mayayam. For what the wrong action I have committed towards the Buddha. Poto Badikanmatu Achayantam. May my acknowledgement of fraud be accepted. Kantare Samvaritum Vaputte. So that in future there may be regarding the Buddha.
อันตามยังธรรมานุสตินยังกโรมาเส
Now the Satchan, the recollection of the Dhamma.
สวากขาโต
Bhagavata Dhammo. The Dhamma is well inspired by the Blessed One. Santitiko, apparent here and now. Akaliko, timeless, epasiko, encouraging investigation. Opanayiko, leading in verse. Pachatang meditapo in unity. To be experienced individually by the wise.
อันตามยังธรรมาภิกิติกโรมาเส
Now the Satchan in celebration of the Dhamma.
สวากาต
Tata Tikunayo Bhavasena Sayo is excellent because it is well expounded. Yomaka Kapariyat Divimokhapeto, and it can be divided into past and first, learning and liberation. Dhammo Gulo Kapadana Paratharitari. The Dhamma will those who uphold it from falling into delusion. Vantamaham Tamaharang Varathamma Metang. I reveal the excellent teaching that which removes darkness. Thamo yo asapapaninang saranang kemamuttamang. The Dhamma which is the supreme secure field of all beings. Tutiyanusadhitanang vanthamitang sirenaham. As the sacred object of recollection, I venerate it with bowed head. Dhammasa samita sowa dhammo me samikisaro. I am indeed the Dhamma servant. The Dhamma is my Lord and guide. Dhammo tukasakata cavitata caitasame. The Dhamma is sorrow destroyer, and it rests of blessing on me. Dhamma sahang niyate misariran chivitan chitang. To the Dhamma I dedicate this body and life. Vantanto ham sarit May I go in the faster way. Kamang meวันธมานิระยังปุญญังปัสสุตังหิทา By my devotion to the Dhamma and the blessing of this practice, Sappe api antaraya me mahe sumpan sadeshasa. By His power may all obstacles be overcome.
กายเนวาจา
Vajaya vajena sawa. By body, speech, or mind, amiku kamang vakadam ayayam. For whatever wrong action I have committed towards the Dhamma, Tamo patipanhamu vajayantam. May my acknowledgement of fault be accepted. Kalantare samvaritum vatammi. So that in future there may be wisdom regarding the Dhamma.
ท่านธรรมยังสังฆานุสติในยังกโรมาเส
Now let's chant the recollection of the Sangha.
สุปฏิปันโน
Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. There are the blessed one disciples who have practiced well. Ushupadipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. Who have practiced directly. Yaya Padipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. Who have practiced insightfully. Samiti Patipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. Those who practice with integrity. Yaditang Chattari Purisa Yukani Attha Purisa Bukkhala. Thus in the focus because of noble beings is the Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. These are the blessed one disciples. Ahunayo, such ones are worthy of gifts. Ahunayo, worthy of hospitality. Akinayo, worthy of offerings. Anjali Karaniyo, worthy of respect. Anuttarang Punyakitang Lokasati. They give occasion for incomparable goodness to arise in the world.
ท่านธรรมยังสังฆาภิกิติกโรมาเส
Now let's chant in celebration of the Sangha.
สัทธรรมโชสุ
Supadipanti Kunati Yutto. Born of the Dhamma, that Sangha read and practice will. Yotapito Ariya Bukkala Sangha Setto. The fill of the Sangha, cries of noble beings. Sila Tipam Bhagavara Sayakaya Citto. Guided in body and mind by excellent morality and virtue. Vantamahang Tamariya Naganang Susutang. I refer the assembly of noble beings, affected in purity. Sangho yo sappapāninam saranang kemamuttamang. The Sangha is subsequent spirit of beings. Tatiyanusaditanang vanthamitang sirenahang. ฆัสสะนิยาเทมิสรีรังชีวิตังจิตัง Through the Sangha I dedicate my body and life. One tanto aham charit sami sanghaso paripannatam. And in devotion I will walk the well-practiced way of the Sangha. Nati me saranang anyang sangho me saranang varam. For me there is no other refuge. The Sangha is my excellent refuge. Etena satchavachena vattayang sattu sasane. By the encouragement of this truth, may I go in the master way. Sanghang me vantamane mayang punyang pasutang ita. By my devotion to the Sangha and the blessing of this practice, sape abhiyantaraya me mahe sumta satya. By His power may all obstacles be overcome.
Kayena
Vajaya
vajaya
vajira sava. My body spiritual mind. Sankhe bhukamang bhagatam mayayam. For whatever wrong action I have committed towards the Sangha, Sankho bhaditanha duan jayantam. May my acknowledgement of fault be accepted. Parantare samvaritum asankhe. So that in future there may be
threatened
regarding the Sangha.
ตันตามยังอติตาปัจเจเวคณะปาทังปนามาเส
Now let's recite the verses for reflection on the values of the requestees.
อาจามายัง
Apa jauh kita wayang jiwa rang pariputan. Whatever offer you today without consideration. Tang yawa dewa sila sabakikataya. Was simply to one of God. Unha sabatikataya. To word of it. Tang samagasawana labasiring sabasambasanang palikataya. To word of the blood of Christ, mosquitoes, wind, sun, and reptiles. Yawa dewa hiriko binapatichadanatang. Sacred for the purpose of covering the parts of the body that wash him. Achamaya pachave kitavayo pindapato pariputo. Whatever offers I usually without consideration. So nevatavaya namataya namandanaya navipusanaya. Was not you prayerfully? No for intoxication, no for putting on weight, no for beautification. Yawa dewa ima sakaya saditiyaya panaya. But simply for the survival and continued ends to this body. Vihingsu paratiya brahmacharya simply for protection from the
clemency of weather,
and for the enjoyment of seclusion. Achamaya Pachavekitavayo Kilana Pachaya Pesaccha Parikaro Parikuto. Whatever it can request for curing the sick, I utterly without consideration. So Yavadeva Upandanam Vaya Parikanam Vedananam Parikataya was simply to ward off any pain or illness that had arisen. Apaya Pacha Paramatayati, and for absolute protection from disease.
Andamayang utisana ditana kata yo panama se.
Now let's chant the verses of cheering and aspiration.
Imina punya kamena
Pachaya Gunotara, through the goodness that arises from my practice. Acariyo Pakara Jamata Pita Jaya Taka Piyanamam. May my spiritual teachers and guidance of great virtues, my mother, my father, and my relatives, Suryo Janti Maharaja Kunawanta Narapita, the sun and the moon, and all virgins leaders of the world, Brahma Maharaja Indra Jaloka Bala Jatevata, may the highest gods and evil forces, self-righteous meanings, guiding spirits of the earth, and the Lord of death, Yamomita Manusa Jamatata Verika Vicha, may those who are friendly, different or hostile, Sabbe Satta Sukhi Hontu Punyani Pakatari Me, may all beings receive the blessings of my life. So come Jati Vitam Dehu Kipang Pabeta Umatang, may the sonated the triforce bliss
and real life.
the deathless, Imina Punya Kamena Imina Utistena, through the goodness that arises from my practice, and through this act of sharing, Kipahang Sulake Jewatan Upadana Chetana, may our desires and expectant requisites, Ye Santane Ina Kamaya Vani Parato Mamang, and all harmful states of mind, until I realize Nibbana. Na Santu Sappata Yevaya Chato Bhave Bhave, in every kind of birth, may I have an upright mind. O Chuditang Saripanya Sarlepo Piriyamina, with mindfulness and wisdom, austerity and riches, Mararapantu no kasangkarun Yesu me, may the forces of illusion not take hold nor weaken my resolve. Uttari Bhavaro Nato Dhammo Nato Varuttamo, the Buddha is my excellent refuge, unsurpassed the protection of the Dhamma. Nato ตัสสะ